how to send a camera roll video as a snap on Snapchat. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. It's actually not that hard to do, and yeah, it's actually quite a funny way how you can actually bypass this via doing this method, because normally Snapchat tends to just send your video from a camera roll like in the chat instead of an actual snap. So in order to actually do this, first of all, I am simply going to record a video of my mouse real quick, really cool, just like that. I'm gonna go back to Snapchat, and what you want to do is simply record anything you would like. So it can be very short. Now, on the bottom left, there is a plus icon, and I want to click on there. And this will sort of like enable the Snapchat director mode, or like camera director mode. Now, if that doesn't pop up, that plus icon, then you can also on the right click on this plus icon under the camera like thing. And then here you can also click on director mode. And then you will also end up being in here. So you just want to create or record just a small video. It doesn't matter, like it can be like 1 second. And then what you want to do is click on the video. And And then what you want to do is on the right, you have these 5 or 6 different options. You want to click on the bottom one, this plus icon. This will open up your photos, and then you can actually select that video that I have just recorded. Then you can click on the check mark and add this video to Snapchat. Now we have this video over here, and we also still have that old video that we have recorded in Snapchat. Now you can see there's a trash can icon, meaning that I can delete this video. And now when I click on preview, I only have that video that I've just recorded in my camera roll. And now I can actually click on send to, and then send it to myself. And I can open it up, and as you can see, this looks exactly like I would have recorded this video on Snapchat itself instead of my camera roll. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.